Okay, let's see if Santa came. Did he come?
I can't see the cookies. I can't see it.
Oh, because we left them on the ground right there?
Oh, you
okay,
moved them
look,
from the table.
look, Lily. Over here on by the TV. Look by the TV.
He didn't eat the rest of the cookies.
Did he eat any of the cookies? Oh, maybe he got full.
But he didn't eat the rest.
Did the reindeer come? Oh, good reindeer. They ate all that lettuce. Oh, yeah.
He has to eat all the other little kids' cookies too.
That's right. That's why he's so big.
So do you think Santa left presents?
Dada.
What's all that stuff?
I think there's stuff in your stocking. Should we get your stocking?
Presents! Presents! Presents!
Sure that tack is safe. Hold on.
Presents!
There you go. Let's see what you got.
What is it?
What is it?
I think it's new paints, Lily. I think Santa got you new paints.
I have no idea.
Another one!
Oh my goodness, you got more in your stocking?
Yes.